house all the time. Favorite little panda cow.
No, I'm an Irish cow.
Panda cow, Pongo.
You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Such a good boy. This is a panda cow. There's not that many of them around because of their coloring. You look at his face. He looks like a panda's coat went onto a cow. Panda cow. Cutie. What a cutie.
Hey lady, I'm Irish, remember?
He's a miniature breed.
I know. There's not very many of them, right?
No, this one comes from Ireland, and it's
Oh,
a milking
really?
breed. Yeah, I don't know where we got him, but he's supposed to be up on the hillside eating.
Oh, yeah.
Eating the hillside.
Look at his hair. Just like a panda's coat. Just like a panda's coat. Look at all that stuff fly off of you. Get their chin. Get their chin. Get their chin. Yeah. Oh, yes. Don't knock the phone out of my hand just because you love it.